Yeah, we're back here, the Safe Soldier, and I want to show you today a huge box from Airfix, the 1-35 Tiger, early version. And if you can see, great artwork, and you can see two versions of what you can make, but I'm gonna make something else with the whole thing. We got cautions, voorzichtig, Vorsicht. Yeah, that is great. The other side, not much information, of course. You also here's the information, if you can see. Panzerkampfwagen, Tiger, and the Airfix club, but I don't like clubs. Well, I'm gonna open it in a moment. Okay, let's see what's in there. It's a lot of plastic, and let's start with the stickering, the decals, quite little stickers, and we got metal in it, and that's great. I paid 32 euros for this kit, and the strange is there are many more of this collection, from I think 5 boxes or something, and they all have a different price here in Holland. This was quite stupid. I also saw the winter edition, and it was almost 50 euros, and that's gewoon absurd. I don't buy that. We have a lot of plastic, of course, but it's great is because it's a model kit, and I get a heart attack when I see this because the tracks. We have to make it all one by one, and of course Tamiya and Revell, most of it have always rubber tracks, and it fits real better than this, I think. We will see. If the quality is great from Airfix, we will see it. We also have a rope here and there, I hope. If you fail, then you can hang yourself, I think. Tiger, early versions, where it's made in Korea. Yeah, well, great. Yeah, this looks good. Here a little bit black, quite a little bit. The wheels and stuff, okay, and more. And here is the guide himself. Guide me. We see the great artwork. I absolutely love those paintings. Real good. Hornsby hobbies. With some information, and we see the instructions, manual guide. There's the metal stuff. Great. Yeah. The tires, offer the wheels. Yeah. Yeah. This is my God. What have I buy? What have I done? We have to all fix all those things. Oh my God. Well, why do I take another hobby? What is this? How to apply Simmerit coating. Okay. Late in World War II, Simmer cement was applied to the fertile surface to help prevent magnetic mines from sticking to the metal hull. Okay. Never saw that before. Apply photo etch parts, the metal stuff. Okay, that's strange but good. Also those fucking tracks, of course. The painting guide. Oh, looks good. Here in another version, but I will make a winter version of this thingy, because I just saw a great movie, and a Russian movie T-34, very good, yeah, with this tank in starring, and there was also a duel between with this tank, the Tiger, and I loved that. It was a great thing to see. It was all white with black stripes, and it's amazing. But I will show you the end results in a couple of months, I think. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it or not. Leave a comment, join my Facebook, join everything. I want to say goodbye and thank you for watching, and see you next time. Okay, goodbye.